Good evening time, everybody. Hope you're all doing all right out there this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. We'd like to invite you to join some YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out donkeystomper.com, donkeystomper.com. Alright guys, we've got a little 12-pill race box repair. We had a couple of issues in there and went through and took care of that. The transistors look good. Put your brand new preamp in there, it should be good to go. Start looking straight through SWR, worldwide, why. Turn him on. We're going to look at our input and output SWR and our PEP radio drive. Radio drive, it's a why. So it's got a really good tune on it. 1, 2, 3. 12 pill. Get on down. We'll hit our driver. I have my noise gate on, turn it off. Hit our driver, why. 27 some change, get on down, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 12 pill. It's a good one. We'll go over and look at our bird. PEP is 2500. Should take it to the corner, why in the corner. So she's doing everything she ought to be doing. Let me change to the outdoor dummy load. Outdoor dummy load. Radio drive. Why. Turn on the driver. Worldwide Clyde. Get on down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. I knew the day key was low. What's going on? Going to bed.
Why are you going to bed? You gotta come play with the grandbaby a little bit.
Damn, this ain't pretty loud down there.
Oh yeah, good loud.
I'm on the Colossal and the 99, just trying this thing out on 12 pill.
Always working. Sounded real good.
10-4, old 636, a static mine. Preamp's working great. I put a brand new in it. Yeah, echo. And you still got a little bit of you might have a cold. You got a little bit of nasally sound. That's what it is. I can hear it. Mine are too. 2800. Alright, catch you later, Mopar. I'm going to get back off here and do another video on the old Mopar box. I'll talk to you in a little bit. On your old box, I just repealed it. Yeah, he got on sideband, had an accident. Oh yeah, we'll catch you in a little bit, bud. Alright, Mopar, you take care of CC. I'll be up on 31 here in a little while. But there you go, buddy. 12 pills all up, ready to go. You should be good to go. We'll get this thing back to you. Alright, guys, I appreciate you watching. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join some YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out donkeystomper.com, donkeystomper.com. Big shout out to YouTube, Patreon channel members. Y'all take care. We'll be back in a minute.